Hello everyone. In this video we will just learn about VLOOKUP function and we will master it. Okay, how to use it and how it works, what is the definition of a VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP function, as from the name suggests, V means vertical, lookup means to search for. Okay, to vertically search for a value. It is just used for searching and to find a value. Now we will just learn about this VLOOKUP function. Okay, for example, you enter an ID here and you want to find the name and state of that ID number. Okay, you just enter the ID and you have thousands of record and you want to search based on the ID of the user or the employee or student. And now let's to implement that. Okay, so first of all we will come here to the name and here we will write equal to VLOOKUP, and after that we will look up value where you want to search. Okay, this is our searchable field. After that comma, then select your data. If you assign the name, just write the name of this table. If you didn't, then just select the whole table. After selecting this table, whenever you assign a name, so then you don't need to select the whole table, just write the name of the table, comma, then write the column index. As we say that it is column, it is vertically searching, it means that you should write here now the column number. Okay, the index number of the column. For example, you want to, now here we would like to find the name, so the name is on second column, so we should write here 2. After that, for the approximate match true, for the exact match write 0 false. Okay, press enter. Right now we didn't enter any value here, so let's leave it empty, and let's copy this formula and we will apply it on this one also. Oh sorry, control. That is okay, and just come here, VLOOKUP, sorry the but VLOOKUP, then search this one, comma, then select the whole data, and after that comma, index number. Now we want to find the state, so for the state, first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth, it is index number 6. Enter here and 0, press enter. So let's enter, for example, now the ID number 1015, press enter. C Kabir KHR 1015, C Kabir computer electronics, and this is KHR. Let's change the ID number to 18, press enter. CLE ZBL. So this is the VLOOKUP function and the usage of VLOOKUP function. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.